the gutter, first you do the bubbling 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Freestyle, you should practice the flutter feet. Hold the gutter, the position of the body should face the water, and you're like resting, and add using the bubbling. To glide, put your hand over the surface of your other hand. Your arm is above your head, touching your ear. Your feet should be pushing the wall or pushing the edge of the pool. After pushing the wall, you should face the water. And if you feel that you stop moving, you add a flutter feet. Here is the proper way of doing the gliding. We start the freestyle. First, you should do the gliding. Add your flutter kick together with your arms and hands. You enter your hands and arms through the water. Second, you catch the water. Third, you pull under the water. Exit your arm out of the water, that your arm shaped like a cardboard. And lastly, you recover your hands and arms. Your breathing should be only in one side, either right or left. This is the proper way of doing freestyle.